Hello there, my name's John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and today I have been back down to the new Everton Stadium on Bramley Moore dock. It's been a good while since we've been down, so just thought we'd come down, have a little fly round, see what the snow situation was like, because it's been snowing the past 3 days in Liverpool. Uh, Now it has been officially handed over to Everton. I just thought I'd come down and see what was happening, what was going on, where how the pitch is looking. Obviously, there's been some news that I reported last week about the test events that are happening over the next few months. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a card onto this video so you can watch that. It's got all the details in of how to apply, and if you've got like a season ticket or there's some other few other stipulations you need to be in the ballot, which actually closes tomorrow. It's the 9th of January today. The ballot closes tomorrow. So I will leave a card, a clickable card in this video. So it will pop up in the right-hand corner, maybe around 5 or 6 minutes into this video. So look out for that. Happy New Year to everyone, and hope it's a good one. Finally into 2025, and this is going to be Everton's home this year, we can finally say. So, the east side of the stand, the east side of the stadium, I should say now, is to me, and someone will probably jump down my throat. It looks like it's more or less ready to go. It's nice and clean. Everything looks where it should be. Now, I'm not sure about the edges of this pitch, the way they're browning off. I mean, I don't know whether that's what this treatment's for. I think the halogen lights that are over the pitch. I don't know whether that's what they're for. And they're starting on the right hand side. I just don't know. I've just been extremely busy the past 6 weeks or so. Just doing different things, getting my life in order, basically. So that's why I haven't really made it down. I did try and come last week, and the drones decided to be a knobhead and not work. So, mm, so yeah, because I had a boss sunset and the drone wouldn't work, and I was absolutely fuming. But it is what it is. We got down today, and obviously all the seats are in, as you probably know. I don't see the corners of the pitch. Obviously, they will be fixed before any test events happen. And it's 4 minutes past 6 when I'm doing this voiceover recording. And if you haven't heard, I know this has got nothing to do with the stadium, but I'm guessing like 95% of people that will watch this video are going to be Everton fans. And if you haven't heard, he's gone. Sean Dyche has departed ways with Everton. Um, some outlets are saying he's been sacked. Some outlets are saying he's left. He's walked out. The main thing is he's gone. So there we go. Nice little shot of the Wirral there. Here we are. And we're back. So we haven't been down, obviously, for a month. So there's still bits and pieces and some I like to call them niggles to tie up. I do know a couple of people that work inside the ground, and they're telling me the inside has still got a long bit of a way to go. So there is stuff happening on the inside. There are still workers on site and stuff like that. But most, if not all, of the outside work is nearing or has been completed. So I'm told. I had someone comment and say that the stadium looks like a warehouse. I don't know how many warehouses you've seen look like this, mate, but I don't know what to say to people like that because I think he was just taking the mick. But jealousy, isn't it? I think jealousy. So you'll get a nice shot of the pitch now and where all the treatments are up to and stuff like that. So Everton are now in search of a new manager. It's not a popular opinion with everyone, but I'd have David Moyes back tomorrow, and I'll tell you why. Because in the Premier League era, he is the only manager over a prolonged period of time. I will add, he is the only manager that has given us a bit of stability with regards to Premier League finishes in the table and where we were, where I feel we should and do belong. Um, so I do think David Moyes would be an excellent candidate. Obviously, he's had a couple of failures with Manchester United and obviously Real Sociedad. But then he's come back. He was given proper time with West Ham, and then he's won them the first European trophy and West Ham's first trophy in a long, long time. So I think if you're going to appoint a manager like David Moyes, you need to be prepared to give him some time to I don't know what's going on with the camera to actually build a team rather than a 6 month job, which is going to be useful to no one because I do believe a manager like that needs a bit of time to build a team and get the team playing the way he wants them to play. So that's my thoughts on it. That is how the Everton Stadium is looking on the 9th of January. I will add that card in that you can apply to go to these test events with your season tickets or whatever. Take care, and we'll see you very soon.